Hello everyone, welcome into my craft space. I'm so excited to share this cute little junk journal with you. I recently took part in an event called the Junk Journal Jamboree on Facebook. You can find my Facebook at Frapps and Scraps. And the Junk Journal Jamboree was a few creatives working with the same digital kit. We were granted this digital kit from Ruby and Pearl XO. The kit is called the Dressmaker and it is just stunning. Such beautiful, beautiful papers. All of the papers that you will see in this book are from the Dressmaker collection. So without further ado, let's get into it. This book was made from a box from Vapor Rub shower dissolver tabs, if you can believe it, and it is just gorgeous, if I do say so myself. I love it. It has 3 cute little signatures, and the measurements on this book are, let's see, super cute. Let's see. It is approximately 4 inches by approximately 2 and like a half. And then the spine is a pretty big spine. It's 2 inches. And the spine has all of these cute little attachments on here. There's a wooden button at the very, very top with some fabric. I've got some cool sequins on here, some beautiful faux flowers, a little beaded dangle, a Singer sewing machine charm with a bulb pin and some beads, some lace, and an old measuring tape. And it even has these old rustic vibes on this tag, which I absolutely love. There's the back. And this lady, of course, has a hat here, and I've given her a little flower with a gem. We've got some metal little decorative corners here. We've got an elastic to hold to the bulb pin here that holds our book closed. Of course, more of those little antique corners on there. And let's check out the pages inside this sweet little book. We've got a nice metal plate there that says Create. Some wonderful ledger in there. Lots of lace. This book has lots and lots of lace. All of my signatures, you can see, have eyelets in them to protect and reinforce those holes. I just love it. The pages are stained and torn, and there's some labels with some stitching, some faux flowers. This beautiful design reminds me of some of the little cross-stitch designs I used to stitch, like hand stitch with my mom and my grandma when I was younger. I kind of think of this as like maybe somebody, a little dress designer's book or something, and they're taking, you know, you could take notes in here. It's gotten stained from being wherever. Lots and lots of coffee dyed papers in here. This pattern, I absolutely love this. This is part of the Dressmaker collection. Looks like you're just ready to doodle and stitch. So, so beautiful. All the pages have been inked and torn. This one has some Tim Holtz linen tape little tabs. And more of that beautiful pattern here. Some coffee dyed paper. This is a needle charm stuck on there with a little brad. More places to write back here. And then this here is a chipboard tag with a bonnet from the collection and some more paper from the collection. A little lace tab at the top there, and it just tucks right back in here. More of these flowers. Love it. Looks like somebody was just doodling along some of the lines that they would like to maybe put on a dress form or something like that. We've got lace in between here in the spine. Cute little flower for this little, kind of a little signature cover. Love it. More beautiful flower doodles. Linen tape. Coffee dyed paper. This one here is just a little pocket. You can put something in there. We've got some more paper from the collection. Gorgeous. I love this page here. Old sewing machines, coffee dyed papers. And this one is, I think it was actually a coin envelope. And yes, I did. I made it a pocket up here so you can put something in there as well. This is a piece of pattern, actual sewing pattern. This is from the collection. I love this. Look at this gorgeous design here. Looks like it's just ready to be hand stitched or embroidered. And this is a Tim Holtz label. Little stitch on there. More of that pattern. And there's another tag. And we've got this beautiful sticker of this high fashion lady. Some more places to write. Some lace here. And then the lace has some little bling in there. Love that. This one here, a cute little tag with a tab. And this little piece of photo negative is just glued in the background there to kind of make it look like you've got all of your fashion designs and you've taken photos of them and they're just in there ready to be, I don't know, made into some high fashion magazine or something. And these little scissor charms kind of hold this paper in place there, so you just move that up. We've got a beautiful collection of scissors. This is from the Ruby and Pearl Dressmaker collection. So is this one and this one. Some really lovely patterns in this collection. Coffee dyed paper back here. A little bit of some washi to hide that brad tab. Then we get into the last signature. We've got that signature cover on there with our little faux flower. Love it. There is some more little scissor charms. This is a fun little negative piece. Love that with kind of those little boudoir feel. And there is the lady on the back. Lace at the top. Love the tag on a photo negative. Another Tim Holtz linen tape. Some lace here with a little label at the top with, that's made from burlap. Cute little glasses charm with the brad there. And that, of course, folds out so you can write. Those little glasses there. Got some lace trim, center of the signature here. And these are a slipped spine, so you can move the pages in and out if you want to add more or take them away. This is the center of the signature. We've got this beautiful sewing machine. Some lace trim, coffee dyed paper. Some little print there. Makes it look like somebody was taking some great notes on some dressmaking. And this is actually a slide mount here, Tim Holtz slide mount die. Another label, some more lace in the background. Looks like maybe they want to make this using some of this stitching here with some of this lace here. Very fun. More of this lovely pattern with the dots. I love it. And this here, this is also from the paper collection. The Dressmaker collection is one you don't want to miss. It was so much fun to work with. I absolutely loved putting together this little book, and it's just the perfect size. You can just kind of put on a shelf or toss in your bag or just enjoy anywhere. Lovely little gift or keepsake to cherish, and I think I'm going to hang on to this one for a little while. So thank you guys so much for joining me. If you love this little book, give it a big thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Like, subscribe, do all of the things. In the description box below, which you can get to by clicking on the more, I will put all the information where you too can find the dressmaker kit from Ruby and Pearl XO. Thank you again to Ruby and Pearl for providing this kit for all of us in the Junk Journal Jamboree. Don't miss the next Junk Journal Jamboree. It's going to be in January, and it's over on Facebook. We have a lot of fun and creators, and we all use the same digital supplies, and we come up with such different projects. It's so much fun to watch and take part in. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my fun little junk journal, and I'll see you in the next video.